room tour. Mhm. Your jeans is over here. I want you, I need you right now. Please stay. This stuff must go up, upstairs, upstairs, upstairs. Where must I put your dress in here? I want you, I need you right now. Oh, okay. No, I don't think it's board inside. Because we actually do. Sometimes we do stuff like this morning we went out. Come, room tour. So, this is the door. Right. The door is closed. Right. Open the door. You come into the bedroom. You're gonna get the little rag there. Right? All the stuff that is in here is brand new that Johnny's sister gave. But the lamps, this is mother's. So this is brand new. These bedside tables and the bed that Johnny's sister gave. Right? Then that is just an air filter there that I don't like to use. And this, his sister also gave. And that, you guys was on the live, no, hung that up. And this little cabinet also was the one that we did yesterday, no? Or Saturday. Put this together. She also gave this and that little thing. And this is the headboard that we must still assemble. The headboard that must go with that bed. This TV Johnny's sister gave, and this TV unit she also gave. And she gave me this chair, right? Right. And here's all my work that I must still do. This laptop Johnny's friend gave me with this laptop Corey Johnny's friend gave me in very good working condition. And I'm from South Africa. Right? And then you get the closet. Yes, it was very nice of her. Then you get the closet. A walk-in closet. Right? With a light. The light. You walk in all the way to there. And there's me and my daughter when she was a baby. Right? There's a lot of space still here. And that is the bedroom from here.